Hello students of Standard 3rd, DAV Model Public School Sita Songi welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha. Today's topic is Nina is the winner part 1. This topic is taken from your English reader. Unit number 3rd, regards for values. As we all know, in the human beings some are qualities and values. Sympathy, courage, sacrifice, kindness, jealousy, affection, truthfulness, hatred, selfishness. These all are values. Some are good and some are bad. We have to cultivate good values in ourselves. Okay, students? First, I am asking you one question. So concentrate and give me your answer. Imagine that your friend is weak. Imagine this situation in your mind, okay? Imagine that your friend is weak in mathematics. You offer her your help in the subject. At the end of the year, she scores more marks in mathematics than you do. Again, imagine that your friend is weak in mathematics, but you offer her your help in the subject. At the end of the year, she scores more marks in mathematics than you do. Will you feel jealous of her, happy for her, sad for yourself? What is your answer? You will be jealous of her, or happy for her, or sad for yourself? Okay, maybe all you will be happy for her, na? Now think about this. Imagine that you are getting late for your exam. Imagine that you are getting late for your exam. On the way to your school, you see a man lying on the roadside with a bleeding foot. Will you? Once more I am reading. Imagine that you are getting late for your exam. On the way to your school, you see a man lying on the roadside with a bleeding foot. Will you run from there lest he should call you for help? Not bother about him at all, or request someone to take him to the hospital? What will you do? Your answer should be request someone to take him to the hospital. Request someone to take him to the hospital. Yes, na? Yes, because we have to help who is in need. Now let's see this lesson. What happened with Nina in this lesson? Nina is the winner. Nina was very excited. As the next day, annual sports competition was going to be held in her school. Why was Nina very excited? You can say Nina or Naina also. Naina was very excited because the annual sports competition was going to be held in her school. Naina had given her name for 100-meter race. She was excited because annual sports competition was going to be held her school, and she was going to participate in that competition in the race of 100-meter. She was confident that she would be the winner. Who was confident? Naina was the confident that she would be the winner. Naina's best friend. Naina's best friend was Medha. Who was Naina's best friend? Medha was the best friend. She was also good runner. Medha was also good in running. This sports competition was going to be special. This sports competition was going to be special because the principal had announced that a trophy would also be awarded to the best student of the school. Means this competition, which was held in her school, Naina's school, it was going to be a special because the principal had announced that a trophy would also be awarded to the best student of the school. Everyone in the school seems very excited. Everyone in the school seems very excited. Why? Why they were excited? Because the sports competition was going to held in their school, and the principal will be announced or awarded to the best student of the school. That's why everyone in the school seems very happy. There were sports atmosphere in all the school. The school ground was beautifully decorated. There were the sports competition held in her school, in their school. That's why the ground was beautifully decorated. The chief guest had already arrived. If there is any competition, the school head or any other person from other side called for the chief guest. And in this school, Naina's school, the chief guest had already arrived. The parents had also come to watch the performance of their children. Naina and Medha were waiting for the race to start. Naina and Medha. Medha and Naina were friends. And Medha is also good runner. And they both were excited for the race, 100-meter race. They participate in that 100-meter race. After the chief guest speech, the 100-meter race was announced. All the participants took their position and started running. After completing the chief guest's speech, the competition started, and in the first there was a 100-meter race. 100-meter race was announced, and all the participants took their position and started running as soon as the signal was given. As soon as the signal was given, Naina gradually picked speed. She was a good runner and she was very excited, and that's why she was confident that she would be the winner. Who was confident? Yes, Naina was confident that she would be the winner of this race. Naina gradually picked speed. She was running ahead of all the participants. Slowly, she picked up the speed and she was running ahead of all the participants. And just behind her was her best friend Medha. She was also a good runner. Just when they were going to reach the finishing point, Medha sprained her ankle and fell down on the ground. Just when they were going to reach the finishing point, Naina was first in the race. When the race was going on, she was first. She was ahead of all the participants. Just when they were going to reach the finishing point, Medha sprained her ankle. Medha was best friend of Naina. Naina saw her falling down. She felt confused whether to stop to help her dear friend or to run for the first prize. She felt confused. Who felt confused? Naina. Naina saw her falling down. Who was falling down? Medha. Medha was falling down. Because of strained her ankle and fell down on the ground. And Naina saw it that she was fell. Then Naina became confused what to do or what not to do. Whether to stop to help her dear friend or to run for the first prize. And listen what happened. She thought for a second and turned back to help her friend. Naina stopped for a second. She thought. And she returned. She turned back to help her friend. She was falling on the ground. The girl who was just behind Medha crossed the finishing point. The girl who was just behind Medha crossed the finishing point and thus got a first position, because at first Naina was in the first position, all the participants just behind her. But after her friend falling down on the ground, she thought for a second and turned back to help her friend. At first she was confused what to do, whether to stop to help her dear friend or to run for the first prize. Then she took a quick decision. Within a second, she turned back to help her friend. And which was the girl which was behind Medha, she crossed the finishing point and thus got a first position. But Naina was not bothered about the prize. She was worried about her friend. Naina was worried about friend. She not bothered, as she was confident that she would be the winner. But she helped her friend and she was not bothered about the prize. She was worried about her friend Medha. Medha's ankle was swollen. and she was in great pain. Some of the teachers also come to help Medha and took her to the medical room. At that moment, if your friends imagine that your friend falling down on the ground and you have just 1 or 2 seconds for winning the prize, for reaching the first position, what will you do? Think about this. Naina helped to her friend. Naina helped to Medha when she was in need. What will you do if your friend will in need? We have to help our friends or anyone if they are in need. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. The remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next video. Okay?